These good bacteria are super important. They help us digest our food properly and keep our tummies feeling great. Fiber acts like a gentle pusher, keeping everything moving smoothly through our digestive system. Did you know that those onions making your eyes water could be the key to a happy tummy? It's true. Onions, while famous for their pungent smell and taste, are packed with things that are really good for your gut. We're talking about a healthier and happier digestive system, all thanks to this humble vegetable. Onions contain special stuff called prebiotics. Now prebiotics are like food for the good bacteria that live in your gut. These good bacteria are super important. They help us digest our food properly and keep our tummies feeling great. We've all heard about fiber, right? It's found in lots of fruits, veggies, and whole grains. Well, onions are a good source of fiber too. Fiber is like a superhero for our digestive system. Why is fiber so important? Imagine a traffic jam in your intestines. That's what happens when things slow down. Fiber acts like a gentle pusher, keeping everything moving smoothly through our digestive system. This helps prevent constipation and keeps us regular. Now back to those prebiotics we mentioned earlier. Think of prebiotics as tiny cheerleaders for the good bacteria living in your gut. Onions have a special type of prebiotic called fructans. When we eat onions, these fructans travel to our intestines. There, they become a delicious meal for the good bacteria. This helps the good bacteria grow stronger and outnumber the bad bacteria, leading to a healthier and more balanced gut environment. Onions are great for digestion, but how do they stack up against other vegetables? Well, it's like a team effort. Different vegetables offer different benefits. For example, garlic, a close relative of the onion, is also packed with prebiotics. Asparagus is another good choice, known for its gut-friendly properties. And let's not forget about bananas, a fruit that's surprisingly high in prebiotics. The key is to eat a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables to give your gut the best support possible.